from Wadsell Properties, and it is freaking Friday. This week's Showcase Home of the Week is located at 2017 West 14th Street. It's a 3-bedroom, 2-bathroom, 1,478 square feet. It was built in 1947. It's a single-story home. It's so cute. They're asking $550,000. It's being brought to you by Virginia Lee from Realtor Group. She's going to have her open house here this Sunday from 1 to 3. And guys, you got to come check out this home. The backyard is amazing. Let's walk this house.
So you have this great porch when you first enter the house, and then you come through the bright red door. You have the original wood floors. It's a great open plan concept. Love the wood floors, original from the 1947 home. When you come in off of the living room, you have the master bedroom. It has these amazing wood ceilings, so cool, really high ceilings. And then you have the closet space here, double closets. And then you have the bathroom here, single sink, and a huge shower, again, with the wood ceilings in the master bedroom as well. And then off in the living room, you have your bedroom here, tons of light. The wood floors follow you through. And then you come down the hallway, you have the bathroom here, large secondary bathroom with the bathtub shower combo. And then further down the hallway, you have the 3rd bedroom. Again, the wood floors continue through. You have a nice sized closet. You're in the back of the house, it's quiet, tons of windows, tons of light. Then you come out of the master. You have this open space here as well, going into the kitchen. So great living room space, great open concept. You have this wonderful garden room here with the slate floors, tons of windows getting the outside light, just a wonderful space. And then you have your updated kitchen, granite countertops, gas cooktop, the sink and dishwasher, and then you have the French doors taking you out to the wonderful backyard. Then you come out of the kitchen into the outside deck area. You have your garage here. You have this really nice deck that wraps around to this large backyard. There's your she shed. You have this huge backyard. If you'd like to do a pool, you could. It's just an amazing space. And then you walk into the she shed. It has high ceilings. They do have a window unit in here, tons of light, tons of space. She shed. And you can make it into an exercise room. You can make it into a pool house if you put a pool here. Just a lot of really great opportunities here.
So what do you guys think of this house? Isn't this cute? Do you love the backyard? The extra she shed in the back is amazing. Come check it out this Sunday from 1 to 3 during Virginia's open house. And guys, if you have any questions on this home or you would like to see any additional homes in the Heights, please do not hesitate to give me a call. My information is at the back of this video. And don't forget the interactive link below that shows you all the additional open houses that are going on this weekend in the Heights and the surrounding area. And I'll see you next week at the next Showcase Home of the Week.